Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and let's learn quick Italian with me. Iniziamo! Our first phrase is many. Many in Italian is molti. Many in Italian is molti. Few. Few in Italian is pochi. Pochi. Few, pochi, everything. Everything in Italian is tutti. Tutti, everything. One in Italian is uno. One in Italian is uno. And no one in Italian is nessuno. Nessuno. And each one in Italian or each in Italian is ciascuno. Ciascuno. Each, ciascuno. No one, nessuno. And one, uno. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5, for 2 or 1 minute. This is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian. Italian in short form. So, thank you for watching. Ciao presto!